Imagine a breakfast that's versatile, affordable, and packed with nutrients. That's oats for you. These little powerhouses have taken the breakfast world by storm, from the streets of New York to the alleyways of Tokyo. Whether you're tucking into rolled oats, steel cut or instant, you're getting a healthy dose of fibre, protein and minerals. It's no wonder they've become a morning staple across the globe. So, oats seem like the perfect breakfast. But what's the real story when you eat them every day? Oats aren't just a tasty start to your day. They are loaded with health benefits. Let's explore them. First up, heart health. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, a type of fibre that has been scientifically proven to reduce both total and LDL cholesterol levels. This means that a bowl of oats in the morning can contribute to a healthier heart. Next, let's talk about blood sugar control. Oats have a low glycemic index, which means they're slowly absorbed into our bloodstream. This slow absorption helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making oats a beneficial choice for individuals managing diabetes. Moving on to weight management. Oats could be your new best friend if you're trying to maintain or lose weight. The magic ingredient here is once again fibre. A serving of oats can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. Finally, let's not forget about digestive health. The fibre in oats isn't just good for keeping you satiated. It also promotes a healthy digestive system. Regular consumption of oats can help maintain regular bowel movements and may even reduce the risk of certain digestive issues. In the end, a humble bowl of oats packs quite the health punch. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body. Impressive, isn't it? But wait, there's more to the story. Nothing is perfect, and oats are no exception. Let's talk about the potential downsides. First up, oats contain substances known as anti-nutrients. These compounds can interfere with the absorption of minerals, such as calcium, iron, and zinc. However, these effects are usually minor and can be mitigated by soaking or cooking oats. Next, let's tackle the issue of caloric content misconceptions. Yes, oats are a nutritious choice, but if you're adding heaps of sugar or rich toppings, the calorie count can skyrocket, potentially derailing your weight management efforts. Lastly, we have to mention allergies and intolerances. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but they can become contaminated with gluten during processing. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this can be a problem. There are also rare cases of people being allergic to oats themselves. So oats have their pros and cons. The key is how you incorporate them into your diet. Want to enjoy oats without the potential pitfalls? Here's how. You can whip up oats in a variety of ways. Traditional porridge is a classic, but why not try making overnight oats? Just combine your oats with a liquid like milk or yogurt and leave it in the fridge overnight. Come morning, you'll have a creamy, ready-to-eat breakfast. For those with a sweet tooth, oatmeal pancakes or smoothies can be a delightful change. Now, let's talk toppings. While it's tempting to load up on sweeteners, remember that these can increase the calorie count. Instead, consider fresh fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for sweetness. To maximize the health benefits of oats, opt for steel-cut or rolled oats over instant versions, as these have more fibre and fewer additives. Remember, the key is to balance taste and nutrition. Exploring the practical advantages of daily oat consumption provides a unique insight. Regular oat consumption plays a significant role in weight management and improved digestion, making it a favoured choice for many health-conscious individuals. Fitness enthusiasts also often turn to oats as a source of long-lasting energy to fuel their workouts. However, it's vital to acknowledge that everyone's body is unique and reacts differently to foods. As such, a dietitian's advice is crucial in understanding the importance of a diversified diet. While oats can be a beneficial addition to your daily dietary habits, it's essential to combine them with other nutritious foods to maintain a balanced diet. So, what's the verdict on eating oats every day, you may ask? Well, we've seen that oats can offer numerous health benefits, from heart health to blood sugar control, weight management, and digestive health. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential downsides, like the presence of anti-nutrients, the potential for calorie overload with too many toppings, and allergy concerns. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently. Listen to yours and make the best decision for your health. We hope you found value in this video. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. And until next time, cheers to your health.